Hello ladies and gentlemen, this video will help you with your FSA review packet, and this will be like problem 3 on week 1, day 4. This problem says, what is the value of negative 22 over 5 plus 6? So we know that we're going to have a negative 22, and we're going to be dividing, because that's what this bar means here. If you have a fraction, it's really saying division. And then we have a 5 plus 6. So the first thing we need to do in this problem before we can divide is we need to simplify our fraction. So the negative 22, we really can't do anything. So we're just going to leave it on top as negative 22. We'll put our division bar. And after we put our division bar, we need to evaluate this 5 plus 6. So we know that 5 plus 6 just equals 11. So now we can put that onto the bottom. And there's a couple things we notice. We notice that we have a negative and a positive. And we also notice that 22 in the numerator is bigger than 11 in the denominator. So we have an improper fraction, so that we know that we're going to have more than one. Because an improper fraction means that we have one whole or more, I should say, parts in the fraction. So what I would do is set this up as a long division problem. Okay, and we know that top dog goes in the house. So in the house we're going to have a negative 22. Okay, and outside of the house we're going to have an 11. Now me, I always worry about my signs first. That way I don't forget about them and I don't get them wrong. So if I have a positive and a negative, I know whatever my answer is going to be, my rule states that it has to be negative. Now we look at 11. 11 won't go into 2, but 11 will go into 22. So 11 will go into 22 2 times. So we have 2 times 11, we know is 22. And then we can see we have a remainder, 22 minus 22 is 0. So the value of negative 22 over 5 plus 6 is going to equal a negative 2. Alright, I hope that video helps. Stay tuned for more.